Let's go over a couple of the features of the Dyson WashG1 wet cleaner, the counter-rotating rollers and the hydration control. Starting with the counter-rotating motorized rollers, unlike a typical vacuum that relies on suction, the WashG1 uses two individually powered rollers to separate large debris from liquid. This design reduces the amount of air expelled back into the room, minimizing odors while efficiently cleaning up messes. As the rollers spin, they pick up both wet and dry debris simultaneously, with each roller containing 64,800 microfiber filaments per square centimeter. This allows them to absorb liquid while grabbing dirt, hair, and other debris. Positioned at the front and back, the rollers provide double the cleaning power with every pass. Now on to hydration control. There are 3 levels to choose from, depending on the mess that you're dealing with. Level 1 for light spills and debris, Level 2 for everyday messes like mealtime spills and wet footprints, and Level 3 for stubborn sticky spills and muddy boot marks. For especially tough stains, press and hold the max mode button, which gives each roller extra hydration to handle even the most challenging dirt.